The unknown and scary world of Antarctica is full of countless mysteries. Some have been solved, but many are still not being understood even by science. Which world lives under the thick layer of ice, and what is found here is 1 million years old? How the old ice cube takes us to the past of our Earth by making us travel in time. Antarctica, which is also called the bottom of the world or the South Pole, the depth of the ice sheets here is recorded up to 4.7 kilometers. This is such a depth that 5 buildings the size of Burj Khalifa can be stacked on top of each other. Secrets millions of years old are still buried inside this ice. First of all, we will know about the life hidden under the ice here. In 2022, with the help of satellite images, researchers noticed a non-trivial mark on the shelf of Larg's ice in Antarctica. They became suspicious about it when a crack-like mark could be seen only in photos from 2021 onwards. There was no trace present there. To investigate this crack, they started drilling a hole by placing a camera in front of a hot water drill. After reaching a depth of about 500 meters, the drill had to be stopped because the camera installed on the drill revealed a hole hidden under Antarctica. The scene of the strange world was recorded. There was a secret river passing through the ice shelf in which thousands of amphipods were present inside a cave. This variety of amphipods was very similar to shrimp, which is also often called prawn, which is used for drilling. Due to its arrival, it seemed quite active. But the question is, where did the amphipods come from within 500 meters of a remote ice shelf in Antarctica? And what would they eat to stay alive? Experts believe that the prawns in the sea are dead and decomposed. They eat plants. This means that this secret river of Antarctica must have had plants at some point of time, eating which they have established their world. Number 6 is Challenger Deep, the deepest point of the ocean so far. The second is Brownson Deep, but the third deepest point, located in the southern ocean of Antarctica, is known as Factorial Deep. It was discovered in 2019, whose depth has been calculated to be 7,437 meters. Factoria Tip has been detected near Antarctica with the help of sonar scanning. Sonar scanner is installed and run on the icy waters of the Southern Sea. Till now, the map of seafloor made by sonar scanning has taken 1,200 tests, but still the researchers have not been able to know how this point was formed and its relation with the surrounding seafloor. What is the connection with number 5? In 2022, passengers of a cruise line passing through Antarctica saw a huge jellyfish in the water. The cruise operator took the submersible deployed passengers to see the jellyfish underwater. This is a huge jellyfish. It was about 33 feet big. It is called giant phantom jellyfish. But the surprising thing is that phantom jellyfish normally lives at a depth of 3,500 feet in the oceans. But it has been seen on the surface of the sea in Antarctica. Researchers have not yet confirmed it. What is such a big jellyfish doing in this region, and that too on the surface of the sea? In the middle of the desolate snowy plains of Antarctica, researchers have found evidence of ancient rainforest inside the ice, which is 90 million years old. The discovery is evidence of the world of Antarctica that was lost years ago. This fossilized forest has also been discovered from under the ice-covered seafloor, in which the roots of trees have been found between Pauline and them. Radiocarbon dating has revealed that they are related. The Cretaceous period is the time when Earth's atmosphere was warm due to the presence of carbon dioxide. These fossils show a map of Antarctica when there used to be lush green valleys and colorful fields. Apart from this, coal was extracted from here in 1909. This is a sign that the rainforest of Antarctica was present here for millions of years, which has now been converted into fossil fuel. Number 3. Till now, a lot of meteorites have been found from inside the barren ice of Antarctica. This is not an ordinary stone, but there is evidence of a very large universe. Many of these meteorites are related to our neighboring planet Mars. One of these meteorites is named L8400, and it is the oldest object in our solar system. This meteorite formed lines in 1996, about 45 billion years old. It was when the scientists announced that evidence of microfossils had been found in the meteoroid that came from Mars, which means that when this meteoroid broke away from Mars and came here, life was present on Mars. It is because of these claims of the scientists that life is present on Mars today. Efforts are being made to find life. This meteorite gave the scientists the opportunity to do research on the atmosphere of Mars and the volcano activity there. Some minerals have also been found in it, which are found only in water. which is proof of this. Number 2. A question often comes to the mind of many of us that, how do scientists know so accurately about the past atmosphere of the Earth? This secret is also hidden inside the ice of Antarctica. The ice present in the cubes has not melted for thousands, if not millions of years, which means that the air bubbles of that time's atmosphere have been preserved inside them till today. To reach here, the entire core of ice is drilled and taken out as much as possible. The deeper the core will be taken out, the easier it will be to go back in time. The air bubbles present inside every layer of ice are sitting safely, preserving the atmospheric conditions of each year. These are bubbles of ancient air which have never been disturbed for thousands and millions of years. By studying the various gases present, scientists have succeeded in repainting a glimpse of the ancient era of the Earth. This core, formed 1 million years ago, is from the time when the Earth's climate cycle used to change every 40,000 years. After this cycle, it started changing after 1 lakh years, which is continuing till now. With the help of these ice courses, it has become very easy to predict the future climate of the Earth, like which storms and floods keep coming in the world after every 1,000 years. And now all the predictions of when they will come next time are done with the help of these ice courses. And now number 1, in 1950, a very large mountain range has been discovered under the ice sheets of Antarctica, which is called Gumburtsev Mountain Range. The mountains of this mountain range, which is spread over 1,200 kilometers, are up to 3,000 meters high. But the surprising thing is that these mountains are quite different from other mountains present in the world. Normally, the area where these mountains are present should be very old, but their structure can be described. It has been said that these are not so old. Their presence several kilometers beneath the ice has also troubled the scientists, because mountains are mostly formed by the movement of tectonic plates. But there is no such movement in Antarctica, which means that these mountains are not part of the land. They have emerged due to the boiling of the magma present inside, but till now there is no proof available to scientists about this. If you like this video, make sure to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more video.